everyone, today I'm going to be doing a 3 looks 1 palette video using the Riviera palette by ABH. I have done a first impression tutorial, which I will link down below, but I wanted to use as many of these beautiful shades as I could. So the first look we have is totally inspired by The Blonde Man. She did a beautiful pink look and I thought I would do my own sort of take on it. This is a completely matte pink look with a little bit of peachy undertones. I'm going to start out with this nude shade and I'm going to buff it into the crease and the inner and outer corner. I just gently build up this shade and blend it out. Next I'm going into the shade Cabana and I am putting this in the outer and inner corner and blending it into the crease where our other shade was and just blending that until it is blended together seamlessly. Next, we're going into the star of the show, which is Bahamas, and we are putting that all over the lid and blending it into the crease. Now, as you can see, I'm building up the shadow and blending out with my flat shader brush, but I will go in with a blending brush and I will blend it, and then I will also take a bigger blending brush and just blend it out. We really want this look to be as blended, as seamless as possible. As you guys can see, you just blend and blend and blend. I'm just taking these same 3 shades and blending it along my lower lash line. Next, for our inner corner, we're going to go with Sails, and we're just going to build up the inner corner with this matte white shade. Moving on to highlighter, I am using the new ABH loose highlighters in the shade Snowflake, and as you guys can see, this is incredibly pigmented and honestly so beautiful on fair skin tones. My liquid lipstick, I am using Bombshell by Gerard Cosmetics because I do not have Rio from ABH, and I believe that's what the Blonde Man used. This is the finished first look. I honestly think this palette is amazing. It has such beautiful pigmented matte shades, and the metallics look beautiful too. So now let's get into the second look. For our second look, we are building off the look that we already created. We're basically going from a matte look to a metallic look. The first shade we're going to go into is Palermo, and we are going to place that all over the lid into the inner corner and outer corner of the lid and blend it upward into the crease. Next, we're going to take Inheritance and we are going to place that in the inner corner of the eye and blend it out softly. Next, we are taking Canes, which is this beautiful purple, and we are blending it into the outer corner and up into the crease, slowly building just to darken up the look. And we also are dragging the purple shade along the lower lash line and into the pink that's already been there. For my lip, I decided to choose Madison by ABH, and this is the finished second look. This is definitely my favorite out of the 3 I've created. It definitely reminds me of a sunset. Our final look is a cut crease. Going back in with Canes, the beautiful purple, we are just blending that shade into the crease just to make everything more blown out. Then we are taking this beautiful shade and adding it to the lid, but I decided that we needed to use a base and instead do a cut crease. So I am just building my cut crease very slowly. I'm taking my time with it. I am by no means an expert at cut creases, and we are just adding that lid shade all over the lid, trying to blend it together seamlessly. We're taking the matte purple and blending it along the lower lash line and at the end of our cut crease just to make everything more smoky. Next, for this look, we are going to create a glitter liner using ABH's Aphrodite glitter, and I'm just building this up using their glitter adhesive and just building it until I like how the liner looks. The lip I'm wearing is Jeffree Star Hi How Are Ya? So this is our final look. I'm honestly not too happy with how it turned out. The cut crease just was kind of miserable and the glitter liner wasn't that great, but I wanted to do 3 looks in one video and that is what I did. It was a learning experience. Let me know down below which look is your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TashaXO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!